Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Explore UAE with us. In this episode, we're going to see the top 5 things to do in Dubai for free. Hello, I'm Shashni
And I'm Krish.
Welcome to our channel Krisha's Life. If you are new to our channel, hello there and subscribe to our channel Krisha's Life. Number 1. Dubai Marina Mall. Head to Dubai Marina Mall and view the luxury skyscrapers amidst the clear water. It is the beautiful place to walk around and picturesque place of skyscrapers and clear water. Both the day view and night view are a feast for the eyes. Number 2. Burj Lake Promenade.
In the daytime, the lake gently reflects the building for a charming photograph. At the foot of the Burj Khalifa, along the Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa Lake, you can find the waterfront promenade where you have an amazing view of the Dubai fountain. And how can we forget the Burj Khalifa shining in the sunlight? Number 3. The Dubai Fountain. It's nice to catch the first fountain show at dusk, then return for a nighttime show, when you can also capture LED lighting displays on the Burj Khalifa from 7:45 p.m. The Dubai Fountain Show is a popular attraction. Guess what? It happens daily and you can watch it. And it's absolutely free. To get a good spot, visit the Dubai Mall early and be there in the waterfront promenade before 6 p.m. The show starts at 6 p.m. and repeat every half an hour until 11 p.m. Amazing, right?
If you like this video, please feel free to share it with your family and friends.
The Burj Khalifa light show runs every 30 minutes on Thursday, Friday, Saturday through until 10 p.m. On weekdays, every hour from 7:45 p.m.
Number 4. The Dubai Aquarium.
Experience a bit of Dubai Aquarium for free. The giant 10 billion liter tank at the Dubai Aquarium contains more than 33,000 aquatic animals. They can be viewed for free from the mall through the world's largest acrylic panel.
Number 5. Dubai Water Canal. Dubai Water Canal waterfall is a man-made waterfall. It starts at 8 p.m. every night with colorful lights. The canal runs from the bottom of Business Bay to the sea at Jumeirah. A walk down the large footpaths besides Dubai Water Canal is an interesting way to experience the city.
When there is a cruise passing through the waterfall, it sends a sunset and stops the waterfall till the cruise crosses the area. Isn't it cool?
We are sure you enjoyed this video. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a thumbs up. It will make us happy. Beautiful bridges we can see here are a feast for the eyes. We can see the beautiful skyline of the city over the water canal.
Meet you guys in part 2 with another 5 sets of free things to do in Dubai.
That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you are new, hello there. Do subscribe to our channel and get notified with our upcoming videos. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, be happy and be safe.